Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 17 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And this week's prompts is something round. And I'm going to use these flowers, bouquets, because they're all round. They're wedding bouquets, but I think I'm going to cut them out and just use those. Piece of a map, and I've got this map here, or I think it's Uganda. A shoe, and I just did a cutout of a shoe, and a tool your grandparents would have used, and I'm gonna go with this. If I'm not mistaken, I believe my great-grandmother had something like this. I could be wrong. And a postal item, I've got a real stamp, but I also have these faux stamps, and I'll probably use them. And the bonus is one of the elements torn apart, and I have to tell a funny story about that. When I saw that, this is my first year of doing the Margarete Miller Challenge. When I saw one of the elements, I'm thinking element, and I looked it up in the dictionary. It talked about gold, iron, and it talked about, of course, your earth, wind, fire, and water. And I couldn't help but I'm sitting here doodling, trying to do something for Earth and all of that. Thankfully, I watched some of the videos yesterday and realized that I was way off track. So one of these elements torn apart. I know I'm a goober. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's get started. here it is. I'm finished. I've got something round with the bouquets, a piece of a map, and I tore it and this picture, so that was my bonus. A shoe, a tool your grandparents would have used, and postal items. And I added the butterflies. I thought it needed a little something, some washi tape and some splatters. I was trying out some new watercolors I got. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Please be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel and the playlist. The hashtag is 2022CWP17, and you can just click on it in my description box. So until next time, bye y'all.